This is the Zip HydroTap all-in-one. Let me show you how it works. Okay, first things first. For boiling water, press down the red lever. To operate in no-touch mode, just flick the lever up. The water will dispense between 5 to 15 seconds before the unit shuts itself off. For chilled water, press down the blue lever. Or to operate in no-touch mode, just flick the lever up again. Just like our boiling water, it will go for 5 to 15 seconds depending on the settings before the unit shuts itself off. You can adjust the water dispense time in the menu. Just select Menu, Settings, and Dispense Time. Then use the arrows to adjust the dispense time as you desire. There's a boiling water safety lock to prevent accidents. To operate the lock from the tap, place your finger over the safety and hold down the blue button for 10 seconds. The safety lock indicator will flick on and let you know that your safety is on. To dispense boiling water when your safety is on, just press the safety button and depress the red lever at the same time. To deactivate the safety lock, press the blue lever and the safety button at the same time for another 10 seconds. Or alternatively, the safety button can be activated and deactivated from the menu screen. Just select Menu, then Settings, and Safety. To allow the safety setting to be changed, select Yes. To turn on the safety lock, select Enable. And to turn it off, select Disable. You can lock your selection by selecting No on the menu screen. For sparkling water, press down the blue and red lever simultaneously. Then, for no touch mode, you know the drill, just flick up both levers. You can adjust the dispense time between 5 and 15 seconds, depending on your settings. To turn them off, press both levers down. Your mixer tap operates like a conventional mixer. Hot and cold is achieved by moving the handle back and forward. And outwards increases and decreases the flow rate. And there you go. That's the Zip HydroTap all-in-one. It's water refreshed.